Are you a beginner rider looking to improve your skills and build confidence on the road? Today we delve into the world of motorcycle drills, essential tools in honing your abilities and boosting your assurance. By the end of this video, you will have a set of valuable drills to practice and enhance your riding skills. Mastering basic riding techniques is the first step to becoming a confident rider. The correct posture on a motorcycle involves a relaxed but firm grip on the handlebars and a straight back. This allows for greater control and stability. Throttle control is another essential technique. Smooth and gradual adjustments ensure a controlled ride. Lastly, effective braking involves using both the front and rear brakes in harmony. This ensures a safe stop. Remember, the key to mastering these basic techniques is consistent practice. Balancing is an essential skill every rider should master. Let's explore a simple drill to help you get there. Begin with a slow, straight-line ride. Keep your feet up, eyes ahead, and gradually reduce your speed. Your aim is to maintain control and balance as long as possible without putting your feet down. This drill fosters a keen sense of control and enhances your balance, crucial for safe and confident riding. As you improve your balance, you will notice a significant improvement in your overall riding skills. Maneuvering your motorcycle with confidence is key to safe riding. To build this confidence, try practicing a simple drill. The figure 8. Imagine 2 points on the ground, about 20 feet apart. Now ride your motorcycle in a continuous figure 8 pattern around these points. This drill sharpens your turning skills and enhances your control over the bike, particularly at lower speeds. Practicing this drill regularly will enable you to handle your motorcycle with ease in different road conditions. Now you have a set of fundamental drills to help you build your riding skills. From mastering basic techniques to perfecting balance and maneuvering, consistent practice is key. Remember, every skilled rider was once a beginner. With practice and patience, you too can become a confident and safe rider. Keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.